description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rainer, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got another one from Good Seoul. This is their Topokki. And this is the Carbonara flavor. So I thought I'd swing that by real quick. These are for the... I keep forgetting what it is. The Gulf Cooperative Council. That's where these are sold currently, but they are going to be sold in Europe. But, so that's like Dubai, Persian Gulf, areas like that. Really neat because I don't usually get varieties that are for those areas. So that's pretty cool. And thank you to Good Soul for sending this over. Today is the 5th day of, I did grab bowls. Today's the 5th day of August 2025. A wonderful day, a fantastic day, a good day. And it's also in our area, it's election day. We already voted. After this is all done and stuff, we're gonna walk, actually after my wife's break, we're gonna walk downtown to where they're doing the voting. My kids did a whole bunch of chalk art on the pavement outside of the city hall. That was a while ago, and it's still there. It's summer, so that's pretty cool. And you get to watch this. On the next episode, I'll have something cool to show you. Something wonderful happened, and I'm excited about it. So yeah, Carbonara Topokki. I have to say, out of the entire set of products I've tried from these guys, well, I mean, I love Topokki, so it's kind of hard for me. I mean, if the sauces were gross or something, that'd be a thing. These are all really good. Excuse me. I really enjoyed every last one of them, so that's nice. Yeah. Okay, we don't want you to boil too hard. That's one thing. There's been a little bit of a learning curve. I don't want it soupy. I want it saucy. But I don't want to run that boil so hard that it loses all the liquid and turns sticky. That's not what I'm looking for. I want it to have not a thin sauce, but a bit of a thick sauce. Sizzle. Wow, you are boiling hot. Hard. I gotta say, I do enjoy the tteokbokki. Boy howdy. But yeah, it's Tuesday. I guess tomorrow night we might have thunderstorms. That's cool. Currently, I am really tired. I wonder if this is working still. Okay. I just didn't shove that. I was checking my scallion slicer machine. This is working perfectly. Swimmingly. So yeah, this is the Carbonara version. They've got cups, these packs, and then they also have Topokki, which comes with ramen. And yeah. so far they've done really well. So I hope you're listening. Those in the GCC. I don't know that I get a lot of people from that area checking out what I do here, but hopefully some. In here, where's that one? There's our Topokki. Cheers. Saucy and spicy. Very smooth. Delightful. Yeah, I like that one a lot. Here we are. I gotta rinse this quick because I gotta use this pot again. Oh. All right. So, what are we gonna do to this? This is really good. Which ones? Yeah, this one. I'll use one on. I have eggs today. I also have scallion. Yeah, let's do scallion. Crushed red pepper. Pardon me. Some egg. If you're ever wondering about the eggs I make, go to www.theramenraider.com and in the menus there'll be, I think it's under resources, and it's just called Egg School. And if you watch that video, it'll tell you all about how I do my eggs. Actually, there's two videos. One is about soft-boiled marinated eggs, and the other one is about fried eggs and how I get them all jammy, as they like to call it. One more thing. We need one more addition here. And I don't want to forget, because I seldom, you might be like, what? Seldom do I actually have a lot of Korean varieties to review. I'm doing a lot of them right now, and so seldom do I actually buy kimchi. I really like kimchi. Yeah, that looks good. Why is it? It's so funny because it looks like it's all pushed down this way, but it's not. It really isn't. Well, do your thing, Rotato. Rotate. All right, well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see, it's been really strange lately because I've been going to the local market down the hill, and I keep finding instant noodles there that I haven't reviewed. And here's another one of them. This is here. This is one from Nissan Foods. They've all been from Nissan. This is their Top Ramen Hot Pot Fusions Bowl, Japanese, what did they call it? Garlic tonkatsu pork flavor ramen noodle soup with black garlic oil. So that's cool. That's kind of a stretch. They've got one more that's a Thai curry, and that's the one I'm really looking forward to. I hope it's good, if I can find it. But anyways, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.